Well, good morning. Today we're at IMI Motorsports. We are photographing a drift event for the Federal Tire Drift Day. There's going to be some big headliners here that you guys have seen before. The Pollard, Magic Mike Pollard, who is Opposition Racing. You got David Holliday from that team. You got Andy, Trapper John. It's that yellow BMW that looks so good. And then a few other guys that I have yet to meet.
Am I ruining your shot?
Do it, do it.
We good? Yep.
Well, we're out here on the infield. We got some awesome cars. Here we go. Yeah. Thanks, guys. All right. Well, we got that figured. Here comes Andy. All right, so one of the things when shooting drift cars is one, remain mobile. Second thing is when you're photographing, you want the blur, you want that speed. When things stand still, like wildlife, you're not trying to make this stuff stand still. And so when you're doing that, you got to think about your shutter speeds. Today we're shooting at 1/200, and I'm shooting at, I think, f10 with this f13. So I'm still within the sharpness area of this lens. Oh, here comes Trapper, hold on. So we're still within the sharpness of this lens, and you always got to find that sharpness. So each lens in each camera, but each lens specifically has a spectrum where it's most sharp. Everything's sharp. These new lenses take better photos than I definitely can, and more than likely you can. And so when you're looking at those lenses, start doing some tests and figure out where your sharpness points are. For this lens, the 70-200, it's the Gen 2, and right now I'm finding that between f9 and f11 is really where it's the most sharp. But again, like, these things are sharper than anything that you'll take. And then the other thing is just watch where you're going. Hold on. You lost it? Is that it? No, that's tired. Yeah, Miles had this happen in slush, and it was like past the walls. Were you around this area when you lost it?
I think so, man, but my video blacked.
Oh no. Mike Pollard's coming out, so check this out. This car is absolutely insane. Insane. You all know this car. It's that car. Insane. Absolutely insane. I'm gonna help, shoot, was it Zach? I think it was Zach. We're gonna help Zach find his drone. All right, I got no idea if you can hear me, but we're gonna go talk to the FPV guys. These guys are awesome. They could build these little drones. I'll show those right here. Build these little drones, and then they fly them with these goggles. And so the goggles allow them to see exactly what they're flying. And then there's a GoPro attached to it, and then they can offload that GoPro footage and show it to you guys. Tony, who we'll meet first, he has his own YouTube channel. I'll link it up here or over here or wherever we link it. And he has some really awesome stuff. He was down at the Slush Motorsport Festival, and he has some content that I'll make sure to link below.
pressure. Free pressure.
All right, we're done for the day. I'm gonna pack up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate all of you watching this. We'll see you next time.